Hello everyone, welcome to the Jello Candle YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a candle and wax tablet filled with crystal stones. These simple candle crafts are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your home decor while also exploring your creativity. Nowadays, people love to use crystals as a way to level up their energy. By incorporating crystals into your candles and wax tablet, you can infuse your creation with the beauty of these natural wonders. However, crystals are expensive, and if you want to make your candle without adding other materials, watch this video as I will show you how to make these beautiful small crystals with wax, and they all look so real. thanks for watching this crystal candle making. We hope you have enjoyed learning some special techniques in this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and tips on candle making.